Hey guys, we received this simple life all-in-one sneaker cleaner kit. The sneaker cleaner with the white shoe cleaner or the tennis shoe cleaner with a travel shoe cleaner or whatever the way you want to use it. Comes in nice box. It's a pack of two. So it's a all-in-one product that I will show it to you. So let me just open the box and take out everything and show it to you. So as you can see, this is one like the cleaning cloth and the two pack brush and the all-in-one kit. So these are the brush and this is like the sponge in between for the dispensing or the cleaning solution. So this have a preloaded cleaning solution inside this, and then you can easily see, like, let me just take this out to show to you. So this is a pre-cleaning kit, so the cleaning liquid will not come out of it, and this is just the brush and the sponge. So you press this sponge and the liquid will come, as you can see. So this is the liquid and this is the cleaning cloth. You push the button and then you can see, like, see, push the button and the powerful cleaner with the soft bristles that you can easily clean. So I'm just using to clean like this white part so that I can show you how effective it is. And then cleaning is really nice. You can see, like, it's for dirty before, and then with the small cleaning I'm just taking. So there is a foam making from the solution, and then also the cleaning with this brush is really nice and stuff. So now you don't have to use any water with this, the cleaning cloth. You can just wipe it. So once you wipe it, you can see this is all cleaned up here very clearly. So this look really nice, much better than before. So this is a really nice cleaning kit for the shoes and very nice thing. And you can see all this dirty stuff on this cloth. You can just wash this cloth later on and then it's all done. Nice kit.